with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with St.
Oh, Miss Daddy careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Uncle Murphy, the ladies, them baby.
Morning
Talk
time,
to them.
morning time, Parry.
You look dark, so go look more. Them say, what? I'm a hawk here, and them say, boy, the petting of the dumpling and all them stuff there. So make them know, say, yes, you're there about.
Yes, Parry. Still about, you know.
Yeah,
but
man.
the traveling kind of scale down.
Yeah, St. Mary with that still. St. Mary will say.
Big up on yourself. St. Mary there
And look
again.
like they set the rain power every time we hope we have the rain. No, sir.
Yes, Parry. Glad to see you soon I hear from you again, you know.
And boy, you don't see me now. But me just see the man ready, you know, for it. Jaja.
Breakfast.
Yeah, you know, look now we are deep fried, you know, so if I can take up a little bit away, yeah. Me I show the ladies them you know. Cause I don't want them feel like you drop off a ship. Next clip. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Look good. Next clip. So where do they, man?
Yeah, wash out some utensils, you
I
know.
hope you're ready. I'm tell them some miss you because me end up a chef it up, you know. So I say, well, miss Uncle Murphy, you know. So him there, them a deal with them a deal with. Some man down the back and them a deal with some work. But not now go on camera. Yeah, but right there's Uncle Murphy, I drip coffee, you know. Papa jeez. I wonder when you come down and something happening, you know, Murphy. No, sir. Yeah. Coffee a drip there. Ah, like that.
Like that.
Alright, so Murphy. So the tea, yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, the tea ready. Hold on there. Plug out the tea something, no? The two of them in I see him socket, brother.
What's your top, you know?
Eh?
The top, the tea.
Yeah, but that, no, no. Because them sitting here, them little pot sitting here. Show them chip in and chip out, them little fry or something here. Yeah. Alright, I could deal with it on that level here. See? Yeah, we have little skeleton. So bun little skeleton in it and all them sort of something. So where you said the tea cold or hot, we have to go at it up in the hot water pot now.
It's about so hot, you know.
You see place called Murphy, I forget it, but now man they want the tea. And they don't want the tea cold, brother. No, the onion, I feel the mackerel, you know, so do some skeleton and a piece of pepper. Yeah. That way I do. Say, them this right here, so. And where your rag there? Where your kitchen rag there? Where you use? Okay. Like it wants to. Me have hand towel in there, must see in a house. So where you do the young Murph?
Yeah, man, look about some scallion fee. Look about some bull beef, you know?
Alright, it look like it's sitting hot. Where I let me pour in there. Why not hold it down? Uncle Mary chefing it up. Yeah. Burn seasoning. My burn little skeleton. Burp look like into hot my bun up the skeleton and then burp. We turn him down, burp. Papa Jesus, dung. Yeah, him simmer down, Murph. Him simmer down. Yeah, that turn him down to come more to the lowest. Simmer down. Yeah, him come simmer down. Hey Murphy, when you burn skeleton in the eye, people think, you know, see all the hair that goes skeleton in the eye, people think of something. Big yak cook, you know, skeleton in the eye. Yes, man, Murphy put him in now, man. Him there. Him go on with the skeleton and the thyme. And all the country pepper. And we were there first time people happy and then something that they keep up. And where your garbage there, your garbage back that have ground on a corner there. Yes, man. See man that table there. So, we are go. Go on with the close up. May Murphy. Take time, you know, call them and make them very careless now, you know. Very thin. And then yes, you know see?
Yeah.
Then just make them all like we, you know. So we are look about breakfast and we have to go look about lunch too, you know. I man them a work, or Mikey a work, you know.
Whole day thing this?
Yes, a whole day thing this, man. As long as the rain allow it.
Yeah. I don't like we'll forget no more rain.
Boy, me I pray to God. Chef him up, Murph. Yeah, man, I feel fat that, man. Take your time. This is not sponsored by Miracle, yes, Parry. We wish if Miracle that sponsor, we can right now, as far as we concern everybody, I see him thing. We're not buying a brand new right now, but You want to sponsor me, you know, miracle, because man, them a sent me a read the canned beef when we come here, you know. Right, Uncle Murph?
Right. You don't get no black pepper.
No, she said she not getting up, she never have no black pepper, that's why she give me country pepper.
Oh.
Chew me a plan for come get the little ackee if you put with the tin mackerel and this man now answer him phone. Me turn him up, but then look, I say, you know I plug it in good, Murph.
Yeah, I plug it.
Alright, see, come on here now. You look good, Murph. You lookable.
Eatable.
Yeah, he just want to eat under him. So what I'll do now, I'll pour the coffee back. Yeah, stand.
Yeah.
Into the hot water pot and make it reheat tonight. You know, me have a microwave up and I have to give a microwave bucket to see.
So if you plug it in back in, I will heat up.
Without that, I don't know nothing about them sitting them prefer to put it in the hot water pot because you know we boil it.
That's true.
Yeah, it's you can just keep it plugged in and keep warm. Them as well, them thing are foreign people thing, you know.
Yeah.
Jamaican black people we just drink tea hot and soak it up. Yeah, this have to just keep it warm. So hey Murph in look good. Yes, pan piece of grotto bread. Papa Jesus. Parry, you know come here. Me tell you when Uncle Murphy come here how he looking. Murph then think we did done, you know. We just have come at St. Mary. I don't know if Terence I drink more tea. No. I three of them down there outside of Terence. Mikey, Paul and Show, box cover. And you four. I don't know if Mr. Terence didn't make one go 12. Sit in a cafe there before in the fair. Because in the night we don't know, you know.
You know what,
me drink like a ginger tea. Me I go eat like drink like a something. I want the condensed. Me I go make like a... But there's something in here, like a fever grass, or a piece of mint, or a piece of jack in the bush. When I drink them tea, I pure bush tea, I drink from where they are. A piece of jack in the bush, me want. Put for them milk in there and see.
Yeah. So 4.
4 or uno. I don't think Terence I drink more tea. I go mix drinks. I don't think he might drink no more tea. Right. Funny.
If you want more tea, better.
Well, if you want more tea, we make tea. Tea there, you hot up. You turn him on, Murph? You not turn on. Where the yellow is, where the blue sitting there? Me not remember.
I did say you turn on.
I did say turn on. Papa God. Alright, tea hot. Because they want the tea hot, you know, because I place the chili.
It's supposed to light up.
It's soon light up, man. 3 coffee night, it's not going to light up so far. Hey, you hear me, Murph?
Yeah,
oh, Papa Jesus. Alright, Murph, slice up them bread. Why the bread there? I want to let them bread. They always take away the bread. And the country people, they fast, you know. They move fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, Uncle Murphy, you see? Real man in the kitchen, this, you know, Uncle Murphy. I wish one of them you got married to. Or I wish one of them are married to you then. Because right now, when you get a man to cook them, you can't wait for him for married, you know. You have to marry him. What you say?
Tell them say me ready, you know.
You tell them, see camera here. See camera there.
Barry, me ready, you know.
Ready, that means to say, yeah, if you're not ready for marry to a man, because you have a man like this, a cook and a set up things in a house. You got to marry him. These men, you don't wait on them to ask you to marry, right? You make sure you ask them you want to marry, then you get a man like this. You don't find men like this easy, you know. You know, so when you say, tell them again, say ready, Murph.
Ready like Freddy.
Because when I tell you that, go on like saying already, but them saying ready now, 2024. Ready, man?
Ready.
Next clip. So when you get a little man like this into your house, into your kitchen, right? You don't wait until him's been taken away. Because men like these, they are very much in demand. You see? You see them? Look at that. Look at that. You see? Milk in a cup and the cup them rinse out and nice. Well clean. You see? Hey, one thing with you, know, Murphy. One thing we know, you know, ramp with the cleanliness, you know. So Uncle Murphy, I make sandwich. So we'll call the workman them. Alright, next clip. Coop, 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 coop. Come for the food. Coop, 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 coop. Yeah. So Uncle Murphy, a different location.
Yes, we are doing the outdoor thing.
Outdoor. Me soon cut out the outdoor thing, you know. Me not manage it.
I deal with the outdoor thing.
Yeah, deal with it. Tio. Him this.
Yes, man. Temporary. You know?
Temporary, yes.
Temporary.
We soon sort things out. So,
yeah, man.
You're dead on a bush mouth, yeah?
Yes.
And some work are going over this, so, but that now go on camera.
No.
No, I just, we are dealing with pan the food, so. Yeah, look about food down here. Me I go up at go look about salting, yeah?
You see what I mean?
You know, Murphy, you feel it?
No, man, I deserve it.
I flash off your water for me.
Water
Oh.
for this.
Father, hold your hand there. Hold your hand, Father. Hold your hand.
Ready to come now.
Yeah, all right, so. Uncle Murphy, I look about food. So the food I got be dumpling and banana. Man, too busy. He can't get figure boy no big na yummy no. And the ground wet, eh?
Yeah.
So we are gonna make some dumpling and banana and me I gonna look back the salting, yeah? Right, Uncle Murphy?
Right.
Up at top. In our butchery there.
Right.
Yes, so next clip.
Next clip party. Right away, you can put them in right away.
No, I mean if you put them in. Like how me hand in here.
Yeah, like how your hand in there.
Ah, a dumpling time. Why? Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Rebob. Hey, Uncle Murphy, you never sitting there. You never sitting there. I thank you for coming from yourself, you know. You never, they are country and say when you old people then naked and take a part.
Yes, ma'am.
We are country people, you know. Yeah, we know a little Fenke and kwashi and I go. If you when you come from country, you can't stush.
Can't stush.
All right, so we starting now to put in the dumpling them, right? Oh, Jesus. Murphy, lift him after with the knife. Lift off the pot cover with the knife.
Countryside food I cook there.
Eh?
Whole time days.
Yes, man.
Country style food.
Yeah, man. You forgot them there something. You can't forget them there, brother. Come here, bro. Ah, look here. I feel the food we are cooking now in a response who have a problem with this. Ooh, that's nasty. Nasty if you know. To uno. That's the fat cover, man.
Take off it clean.
Yes, man. I can't take the sideway thing. I don't do sideway with it, you know.
Okay, you.
Let's go big stuff with the Murphy. All right, tease up the fire. Tease him up. Cause the wood then kind of little coolish, you know. For the rain. The rain out of Port Maria there, you know, Murphy. Keep on like things off. I chew are the new months, you know. But and a rain time now, Murphy. A rain time now, this.
No, man.
I play with the liquor, you know. Hey Murphy, I not got too much either than whole part out of the cooking arms house, you know why? Because when me grow up, my mama always have kitchen.
Yeah.
I not got to take them away. I show my business trying to change. I not take them away out of the cooking, so brother. We never grew up come up because my mother cook. She have always have a kitchen. Paul, we never used to cook out of the door. We always have a kitchen. Which part we are going to make one kitchen? One kitchen.
Yeah.
Kitchen. Hey, wala. I want the kitchen make like mama kitchen. The mama kitchen there so it can't so big because we don't have the space. But I want you to help show to make the kitchen that you're out of doing a peeping pan me. That's something why you make it like the first time kitchen they used to make. And when the young smoker come up, it will come up out of my zinc. That's how we there. My mother, I remember we used to do over the body up in the ear. No, sir. We sit down in a kitchen, all when rain a fall. Who tell you? And we sit on pan bench all when rain a fall a morning time. Look your rain a fall in a kitchen, sit down.
We can drink with tea.
Yes, sir. Me no like out of do business here. Me no like.
Now get wet.
No, sir. Me no. My mother never. When here, me dream, and she said to me, said, Debbie, why you not going in the kitchen? And me I say, what kind of thing? A couple of days after me I say, she must mean to say,
You will build a kitchen.
to build a kitchen. And that she mean.
And that's I tell you.
And that she tell me.
So make sure that you put one kitchen in a yard.
Yes, man. You not like them a business guys. You not like them a be that come and sitting here. Out a do a cook. When rain a fall, you supposed to comfortable.
Yes.
And smoke in a kitchen a warm way. Right, ma?
That's the way we are talking about.
Yeah, that's what me no want
That's
to
how we there.
Yeah. I'm gonna done start out this also. Yeah, party me I put in some dumpling. Lord God me I talk and me never talk to you. Me never used to. Then yeah. And mother dream me and say, Debbie, why you don't go in the kitchen? You have to read, you know.
Yes. Read between the line, man.
No, she not like them something. Yeah, so me I put in some flour your hand. Uncle Murphy, I peel banana. We can't get no time for go do rain against switch. Who can go gully, you know? Ground wet. Rain to die, but next time. Not true?
Kick you out with flash out.
Yeah. Come there. So, Lord have mercy. The fire, who them not so? Them not so strong. So, we have fan them. Them need a little fanning. And we have tease them up. You understand? Tease them up a bit. Yeah. We stay up a little, not for long though. But we fan it. And back in the days, if you can't fan,
Pan there.
You blow it.
No, when I blow it,
you have to know what you are doing. You are blowing your choke. You know? Yes. Him can go on a little bit. Woo. They don't have much heat, you know. Because they hopeless. Because the rain.
yeah.
Yeah. My friend.
So far, I'm up the house and I am, me I look about Uncle Murphy. And you see my prayer clip there, Uncle Murphy, down a bottom there. I have my vinegar, so I squeeze some lime in it. So onion, pepper, and some lime juice. Yeah, and scale. I'm not putting over pepper seed, a tin mackerel, and sorry for me, I hold the camera. Oh, that is pretty though. So, let I go and sort out. So I put on the cover right about now. And so what will happen here now, you know, him down the road, him down a gully. When this ready, me just plug off right there so and carry down this cookie, make them share down them. Now I can't carry down a table. If anything, I go and go in a shoe house, go dish, got 2 half table in my house. So. Next clip. Right, that's in a Paris, see there? Man, them are working. Working man, them. So look here. Me, I turn it down. I don't want the gravy dry out here. So, you see me next then supposed to eat. So, I'll cover it down. Back again. I just give you a nice overall light. Yeah, this steam I flag up the camera. So, Parry, in a shoe house, I'm there. I'm going to put this one in. Hey, Murphy. You can't carry the black pot coming out of the man house, you know. And you cannot come in here with your dirty shoes. You understand? Him not plug in fridge today because the light bill high.
Yes.
Yeah. Hey, no, sir. Alright, so Murphy, here we got up now. I must see the extra key that. Hey. No, sir. She have one crack right here, so I have to go deal with that. Hey, house not paint yet, you know. House just prime out, you know. Prime. This not paint yet, you know. See. Yeah. See him door them that for angle to him bathroom and to him kitchen.
Take the paint good.
Yeah, man, and he ready now to take the paint. Good. No, sir. Alright, so we are going to do now. Hi, have him clean. Things are going in here, so me I got to show the food then, the salting, and the man come to empty it and go and go to no. You can't get a black pot come in and say no. Else me no want to lose show work. Next clip.
Share
no man,
no
man in here. So Mr. David, see him having work, David, you're gonna say, no man in the house. So Parry, we had to show them salting, because I want the table with this plate and that's 100 man. Hold it. So Mr. David, no man in my house, only woman.
Only woman in
Yeah,
it.
man, say no one no man in here. So me I do what me have to do. So Parry, me I dish out a shoe house. Because we don't have the table down here. I don't want to carry down the table because the rain going to come down.
Who's on this?
I mean, anybody.
Come.
I just want to do what the man say.
Yeah. We get my
This one you go down there. You don't take one knife fork and take up the.
And now me I come show them as something there, you know.
Oh, you got this down there.
Yo, you will have the man them out the door, John P. Every man out the door. Yeah, but then coming out with them dirty foot. Am I right, man? Yeah. How this? Rastafari. Walla walla walla.
Walla walla walla.
Yeah.
I eat up some dumpling and flash out and banana.
Food look good on camera do. Paul.
What's look this is nice.
Niceness, yeah. How that? And mama dash my food, no, sir. What go on here, sir?
Yes,
How it
Parry,
is?
why you dumpling a
Yell at
Parry?
the people,
Yellow Parry,
tell
why
them, oh, come back, hey! Are the boss this, you know? Yeah. Chef it up, man. Chef it up. Make them see, say.
Chef it up, chef it up.
Yeah. Me not lie, you know. The flour dumpling, them, I look good. Me not eat nothing today in a party. Me I try drink some water. And me eat bread already, and the bread kind of puff me up like. And I tell a lie. The flash out and dumpling and nana, you look good. Yeah, Mikey, all right over there, Papa?
Yeah, man, all right.
Yeah, all right. Next clip, Parry. Parry, me kind of dark, you know, but me not so lay down for now. Me not call my favorite coach. Me take a 5, me tired. Me make about 16 trip from up on my yard there to down I wish part the man them I work down a shoe house right there. So oof, I'm drained. It's good exercise, but I think I am tired. I'm still have something else to go do up here. My main project when I come here for do today. For my personal project. I have it for God. So guess what? It's like a little past lunchtime. A long day now, you know, a short night. So but I also lay down and cock up my foot. Stretch out my foot here, so yeah. But I go over upon the bed, but them kids don't come up here with me. They take out the whole, maybe about 3 pair of pillow up here. They then take away pillow and say, Mom, in the body. Now I use the pillow them, so me I carry them. Not even left on I pillow them for me. Oh God, so I sit down in the couch right here, so. And I just me I got anything now. Anything so for now. I have some things around the back for do. Rinse up plate, clean out them toilet bowl. And yeah, that's about it for today from St. Mary. Yeah, give me a look of fun. Come feel cool thing like that over this. I'll plug in the fan for me, so. Thanks for watching. Remember to make sure you subscribe. Remember to leave me a comment below. Hope you do enjoy. And look here. But now stop so that. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. All I want to do just stay up on top of things. Stamp me tired. Stay up on top of things. I'll catch you again with another St. Mary video, another live or something. Thanks for watching. Wait.